This question is about Maclaurin series. You are asked to prove a differential equation and find the Maclaurin expansion of this expression. You can try this on paper and send me the answer. If you need the hint or step-by-step working to answer this question, please continue watching this video. This is the formula for the Maclaurin expansion. We are going to use that later. And below that is the formula for the differentiation of Arctan's tangent. To prove the differential equation, you need to find the first derivative of y. After you do that, then you need to rearrange the first order differential equation. Then we differentiate both sides of the equation to get the second order differential equation. Rearrange the term and simplify the equation to prove the differential equation. The question also asks you to find the Maclaurin series, so you need to find the value of y and its derivative when x equals to 0. Then we substitute those values to get the second order differential equation. Thanks for watching my video. You can send your working to my WhatsApp if you want to join the free one-on-one session this June.